Good morning, everyone. My name is Christine Joy B. Eblore of Grade 9 Aguinaldo. And today, I'm going to show you on how to make a DIY ventilator. Are you ready? Let's start! These are the following materials. Remove the cap of the bottle and insert the other end of the bended straw. Connect them using tape. Cut the second bottle using cutter or scissors. Connect the other end of the bended straw to the cut plastic bottle. Create a hole at the bottom part of the main body of our DIY ventilator. I added a cap at the bottom to define the bottom side. Connect the straw and balloon using masking tape. We're almost done! Insert the straw through the hole of the bottle. Let's define ventilator. A ventilator is a machine that helps you breathe when you're sick, injured, or sedated for an operation. Pumps oxygen-rich air into your lungs. Let us try this to my first patient. Oops! Trial number 2. Bumalik. So, this is our DIY ventilator. I hope you enjoy my video. Thank you for watching!